Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save your avatar on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Roblox application on my PC and I'm going to go to the avatar menu right here and go to the customize menu. Select customize and then you can customize your avatar first before you save it. And these are the saved avatar. And I'm going to customize this avatar. I'm going to change the head, and for the hair I'm going to use this hair. Okay, and I'm going to change the shirt, but wait, I'm going to go to the clothing and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, after you're ready to save it, you can go to the characters and you can click on this menu and click on save as new. And I'm going to name it man 2. Click on save. Okay, and now this avatar has been successfully saved and you can use it in any game on Roblox. And you can switch from one avatar to another avatar with the new switch feature. Okay guys, and that's how we can save avatar on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!